applying mascara can help to frame your eyes, open them up, and also bring an element of excitement or drama. I'm Nick Luham, the Director of Artistry and Education for Kevyn Aucoin Beauty, and today I want to talk about Indecent Mascara. Our Indecent Mascara is going to help provide you with instant results, but also has long-term benefits. This formula is infused with lash-enhancing ingredients like mung bean and red clover extracts. The brush is this beautiful cone-shaped brush with a precision end and a fluffy end. You can use this to capture all of your lashes, even the lashes that you didn't know you had. It's easy to apply Indecent Mascara, and I'm going to share some of my favorite application tips and tricks with you today. After curling my lashes using the Kevyn Aucoin eyelash curler, I like to separate my lashes using a clean lash comb. This is going to help to give you more separated, feathery looking lashes right from the beginning. Next tip that I like to share is never pump the brush in the bottle. This actually is a tip I learned from Kevyn Aucoin in his book, Making Faces. You never want to pump the brush in the bottle to load it because you introduce air and it dries out your mascara quicker. Instead, swirl your brush in the bottle to pick up product. Next, I like to hold the brush against the side of the bottle as I pull it out. That swiper system inside is going to remove a lot of the excess product. And next, I'll even swipe the product over the mouth of the bottle so that nothing goes to waste. Whatever's left over will be pushed right back inside that bottle when I'm done with my brush and I push it back inside. To have a more feathery, separated look to the lashes, start by holding the mascara close to the lash line and then just comb the lashes straight up. This is going to keep them nicely feathered and separated. If you're looking for a little bit more drama in your lash, you want that spidery effect, start wiggling the brush from side to side. And that's going to piece the lashes together, creating more of that like spider or that starry-eyed lash effect for that extra drama. And remember, after 28 days of using this mascara, you're going to have fuller, luscious, more lovely lashes than ever before. We can't wait to see how you use your Indecent Mascara, so make sure that you tag us at Kevyn Aucoin and hashtag Team Kevyn so that we can follow along in your makeup journey.